Hi, I'm Tim Berglund, and this is Advanced Replication. To understand advanced replication, it helps to take a step back and remember how cross-data center replication works in Apache Cassandra. Normally, you can define one group of nodes that you'll say put in Austin, maybe, and another group of nodes that maybe you decide to locate in Denver. Those two separate data centers each hold their own complete copy of the data. Any change in one is replicated to the other, and you can always query either one if you want to read the data. Advanced replication assumes a slightly different application. Here, imagine parts of your system are in remote areas, maybe where the bandwidth is a little low or connectivity is intermittent. With advanced replication, you don't define separate data centers, but entirely separate clusters. And one of those clusters is a central hub where all of the data lives. The others are remote clusters, and you can think of those as spokes on that central hub. Tables in the spoke clusters can be configured to use advanced replication to sync their data with the data in the hub cluster. And again, advanced replication is designed for situations where connectivity might be intermittent or bandwidth might be low. So it's okay if they're in some remote area and not always connected. When they are connected, they'll synchronize their writes to the central hub. Advanced replication is defined on a table-by-table basis. So in one of these spoke clusters, you'll enable advanced replication on a table, and then that cluster will batch up its writes and send them back to the hub. This is completely different from the normal Cassandra replication process. There is a distributed replication log that's written in the spoke cluster that's used to ensure data is delivered properly to the hub when the connection is available. And of course, configuration of advanced replication streams is possible through a command line tool, and everything is monitorable through JMX as always. Advanced replication is a built-in feature of DataStax Enterprise 5 and supports entirely new and potentially exciting use cases for your distributed databases.